Hi everybody, how are you all? Okay, let's come to the English class. You know, English is a beautiful language, isn't it? Do you like English? Do you like to study English? Okay, in the previous class we studied a beautiful story. Did you remember? What is the name of the story? Yes, Neha's alarm clock. Okay, I know we are eagerly waiting to see the end of the story. Am I right? Okay, just come to the point. In the story, in that story, we can see a girl. Her name was, yes, her name was Neha. And in the story, we can see who tells the story. Yes, a narrator tells the story of Neha, isn't it? Okay. Okay, in that story we discussed in the previous class. In that story we can see a girl named Neha and a narrator tells the story of Neha. Neha is a lazy girl and she wants to sleep little more time in the morning, but she want to go to school even though she want to sleep little more time. But each day someone help her to wake up early in the morning. Can you say the name? Yes, first one is alarm clock. Then next, the birds. Okay, next one. Okay, the sun, the bright sun. At last, her mother, isn't it? Okay, and then just listen the remaining part of our story. I am going to read. All of you listen carefully. To stop the conversation between the mother and Neha, isn't it? Okay, mother, wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake up me up? There is the narrator. There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happened the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? Okay, listen here. Uh, we saw the mother call her daughter Neha, and because she want to go to school, so mother called her and she said, wake up sleepyhead, you will miss the bus. And on hearing this, Neha, the lazy girl Neha, and asked her mother, why does mother have to wake up me up? It shows her laziness. Okay, she want to sleep little more time, but her mother don't allow her to sleep little more time because her duty. What is her duty? What is her responsibility? Yes, as a child she want to acquire knowledge, then only she will become a good girl in the future, isn't it? Okay, then narrator, there is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happened the next day? Okay, there is no escape and she want to gets up early in the morning and want to go to school. Then Neha gets up and gets ready. Then the next day Neha wakes up with a start. But the next day Neha wakes up automatically and she wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. The next day Neha wakes up herself and her mind remembered her it is 6 o'clock and she wake up and call her mother. Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? Ma, who woke me up today? She has a doubt. Who woke me up today? So she asked her mother, who remembered her it is 6 o'clock. At that time, her narrator, mother smiled. On hearing this, mother smiled and she said, who else? You, of course. Who else? You, of course. Nobody remember you to wake up early in the morning. You herself woke up early in in the morning. Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? She surprised, but I was sleeping. But how could I? Mother, now tell me. At that time, mother asked some questions. To clarify her doubts, mother asked some questions. She asked, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Okay, dear, tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Okay, say the reason. Each day, every day, you take your lunch at 1 o'clock. Why? What is the reason? At that time, Neha replied, I feel hungry. So, I eat lunch. Okay. Mother, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Why do you sleep 9 at every night? Every night you sleep at 9 o'clock. Why? What's the reason? On hearing this, she replied, because I feel sleepy. So, I sleep 9 at each day, each night. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up. So mother clarified her doubt. That is, she said that there is a clock inside us, and that clock will show the time when to sleep, when to wake up and when to eat. Our mind remember time, but our laziness did not allow to woke up early in the morning. So it is a bad habit. Our mind encouraged to wake up early in the morning and become a good children, but we have some laziness, isn't it? So first of all, you avoid your laziness. Okay, then Neha, oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. On hearing this, she realized the importance of punctuality and time. Her mother's advice helped her to realize the importance of time and punctuality, and at that time onwards she became a good girl, and she said that I don't want to miss the bus, so I better rush now. Okay. At that time mother replied, relax, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday, so my dear, relax. You don't want to go to school because today is a holiday, so you sleep little more time. You can sleep little more time. On hearing this, Neha laughed. She became very happy. Okay, did you enjoy this story? Okay, it is a story of Neha, and through this story, the narrator uphold in the importance of time and punctuality. She picturizes these things through a girl named Neha, and Neha is a lazy girl. Each day she is not ready to get up early in the morning, and someone helped her to get up early in the morning, and her mother also, and at last there is no alarm clock, there is no birds, there is no sun, and her mother clarified her doubt. She said that there is a clock inside us, and that clock remembered us the time, and when you sleep, when you eat and when you wake up. And request you, all of you, wake up early in the morning and become a good children. Okay, it is the time to wind up our class. Okay, read the story very well and and grasp the meaning of the story, and understand the importance of time and punctuality. We know that time is precious, isn't it? Okay, time is precious. Don't waste that. Don't waste the time. Okay. Okay. See you. Bye later.